Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss English AI. I'm Ina, and today we're taking you into a real life English situation, a supermarket. You'll hear a full conversation, step by step, exactly how people speak in everyday life.
Hi, everyone. This is Paul. Today, you'll learn how to shop, how to ask for things, and how to talk politely in a supermarket. So, let's begin our little trip.
All right, Paul. Let's imagine the doors open and we walk into the supermarket. The cool air hits our face, and the place smells like fresh bread.
Yeah, it actually smells really good, and the store looks huge today. Okay, Ina, what do we need first?
Hmm. Let me check our list. For breakfast, we need eggs, bread, milk, and maybe some fruit. We ran out of everything this week.
Yeah, I know. Our fridge looks empty. So, do you want to start with bread?
Yes, bread is on aisle one. Look, it's right there. So many options. White bread, wheat bread, brown bread. Which one do you like?
Well, I'm trying to eat healthy, so maybe whole wheat. What do you think?
Whole wheat is good. Okay, let's take this one. And do we need eggs?
Yes, definitely. We have 0 eggs at home. Let's get a dozen. The eggs are near the dairy section.
Wait, look at this. They have organic eggs and regular eggs. Which one should we take?
Hmm. Let's take organic. They're a bit more expensive, but it's okay.
Good idea. I'll put them in the cart. Now, milk.
Yes, I think the milk is behind us. There it is, a whole wall of milk. Skim milk, low-fat milk, whole milk.
You sound like a commercial.
Maybe I am. Okay, Ina, which milk do you want?
Whole milk. And let's buy 2 bottles. We always run out.
2 bottles. Perfect. Anything else in dairy? Do you want yogurt?
Yes, I love yogurt, especially strawberry yogurt. Let me grab a few.
Okay, maybe more than a few, but that's all right.
I'm taking 6 cups.
That's all right. Put them in the cart. Now what's next?
We need vegetables for lunch, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, maybe cucumbers. The vegetable section is over there, near the big green sign.
Wow, everything looks really fresh today. Look at these red tomatoes. They look perfect.
Yes, and the lettuce looks very fresh too. Let's take one. And here are onions. Should we take a small bag?
Yeah, small is fine. Oh, and apples. Look, they're on sale today.
Really? That's great. I love apples. Let's take a bag. These look sweet.
Do we need bananas too?
Maybe just a few. Not too many. They turn brown fast.
Okay, 4 bananas. That's enough. Now lunch? Dinner?
For dinner, maybe rice, chicken, and some spices? Do we have rice at home?
No, I checked yesterday. 0 rice.
Then let's get a medium bag. Not too big, not too small.
The rice aisle is always confusing. So many different types.
Yes, I know, but I found it. Here, this one. Let's take it.
Perfect. Now we just need chicken.
The meat section is over there. Let's go.
It's always cold here.
Yes, but that means the food is fresh. Okay, chicken breast or drumsticks?
Let's get chicken breast. Easy to cook.
Good choice. I'll grab 2 packs.
Okay, Ina, I think we have everything. Ready to check out?
Yes, let's go to the cashier before this cart gets too heavy.
Too late. It's already heavy.
True.
Okay, here we are. The cashier says, "Hello, did you find everything today?"
Yes, thank you. I say with a smile.
The cashier scans everything. Beep, 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 and then they say the total.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
We take our bags, walk outside, and that's it. We're done shopping.
Yes, and this is how you shop and speak English naturally. Practice these sentences next time you go to the supermarket.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to Miss English AI. We'll bring more easy English stories just like this.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.